everybody. Tonight I'm here at the Bowling and Amusement Round 1. My name is Margarita. As you know, Adventures with Margatoni here. And it's Saturday night. We're just having a good time. This place is pretty happening. As you can tell, a lot of games. I know you probably can't hear me well, but that's okay. If you just want to come down here and enjoy yourself, bring your kids and have a good time. Just a couple of nice things to do here in Las Vegas. And they also have a bowling alley here. Oh, they have pool tables. Look at that. Really nice. Ooh. So I'm just gonna walk here. Oh, that one looks fun. This is Victory Zone, game cards, and then they even have a bar over here, which is a cool bar. And now I'm looking for Tony. I am Marga, and my Tony is somewhere. Oh, there it is, over there. Oh, look, they have food and drinks. Let's see what they have. It looks really good.
I'm really sorry, but you can't record
I'm
here.
sorry.
You can take a picture if you want to get
Oh, okay. I'm just doing it for my. But I can over there, right?
If you're up on the bowling lane,
Okay. Okay. I'll delete it. So I cannot record anything here. Menus or sign or whatever. I don't know, for whatever reason. I don't want you to record. There he is. There's Tony.
Hey, Margarita.
Hi, Tony.
What are you doing?
Just recording, but I just got told I can't record like menus or anything, so I'm gonna have to delete some stuff. Yeah.
So you want to bowl?
Yeah. Did you get us a bowling?
Yeah, it's decided by the hour. I don't know if you're going to be gone for 5 minutes or 30 minutes.
So they said I can't record like any menus or anything, like names on the whatever, you know. So I'm gonna have to delete some stuff, which is okay. Who cares? It's winter time right now, so it's a little bit chilly, but it's not chilly here inside. Of course, it's a little bit. It's nice and warm here, but I am in the alley, just having a good time and just enjoying myself. So they said I can take pictures, but I can video. Like, that's kind of weird. Like, take pictures but don't video. Like, okay. Anyways, whatever. It's America, so yeah, it's great. We're just gonna have a good time, and I'll be back. Did you bowl?
I've done that for 20 years. Right.